Don Dada. Fire can't cool me up on tire. But I can't kill me.
Alright folks, so today I'm doing this video from New York City, Central Park. I just wanted to quickly talk about rideshare, just a quick video, because something happened fairly recently in which the person who rented out my bike got into some, I can't say even an accident, it's more so some sort of mix-up with the bike and the environment. So we, the renting went pretty well until the last day, and I got a call, and then I heard from the renter. Sorry for the helicopters. And I heard from the renter that the bike blew a fuse. Somehow it blew a fuse. I don't know what it was from, but if I suspect, it's probably from, it was the light fuse for the headlight, not for the headlight, for the key, actually, the key fuse. And so I suspect that the complications that the renter had from the key ended up blowing the fuse. So the bike and the renter was stranded for a little bit. They had someone who was able to come and help. But part of my concerns for renter share are still, concerns, because they just happened. And when the renter came back to drop off the bike, I found that the bike had a nail in it in the back tire. So those are two things. Luckily, the fuse, the renter was nice enough to go and just get one of those dollar fuses, and we were able to replace it. The bike was fine from everything I knew, and I'm able to get the renter had insurance. I was able to get the two tires replaced. Now, part of the concern about the tires, the other part, renter share is only going to replace the one. If there's one tire that's messed up, they're just gonna replace that tire. But both tires need to be replaced if they're not gonna be the same company, the same brand. So I was given, a little bit of a hard time when I asked them to replace both, because the place I'm going to get the tires changed, they're not gonna have the same exact tire. So that's kind of been my issue. But here we are. So part of my concerns with renter share is something like this happening. I'm glad it was just a blown fuse that you can replace, and I'm glad that it was just a nail that you can easily change your tire. And where I'm going to change the tire, it's basically down the block, down the street. But I do still have concerns about this, because I'm curious if anything else were to happen, what am I left with in terms of the bike? So, here we are. Just want to give you that update. That's why I haven't really made anything new, because I'm still waiting on the tires to come, and I'm waiting for them to do the labor on the bike, which is hopefully sometime this week. So this video is dropping today on Friday. So thought I'd give you that update while I'm here on a little bit of New York City vacation. And I thought I'd give you a little view of where I am in Central Park as I, talk a little bit about rideshare. So hope you all have a great day, and we'll talk later. Mark Simoda, we're out.